Hi guys, this is Hossein, and today I'm going to be showing you how to improve Galaxy S voice sound quality. As you already know that S voice sounds really horrible compared to Cortana or Siri, but Samsung did improve its quality and it sounds much better now. It's gonna show you example. What is the weather like in Chicago, Illinois?
Here is the weather for Chicago, Illinois. Today it's 9 degrees with just a few clouds in the sky.
I mean, yeah, obviously it is better than it was. And so to get that quality, just go to your settings. It's really simple. And go to my device. Scroll down till you find language and input. And then scroll down again to text to speech options. And then go to this tool over here. Install voice data. There's a lot of languages. Well, just download your preferred one. They all sound good. French.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
That was good. Let's see Spanish.
Este es un ejemplo de síntesis de voz en español.
Yeah, so if you want to get that, just tap on download button. And I think this is the Galaxy App Store. Hit install and quality should improve. If not, go to settings. Sorry for that. Go to settings for Samsung text-to-speech engine, and then tap on this tool button, and then select female high quality. I don't know if there is male. Well, so that's it for how to improve your Galaxy S voice and no more annoying sound. You're gonna enjoy using it. So thanks for watching, and it will be great if you check my channel. And there's a lot some tutorials maybe you need to watch. And yeah, it will be great to like this video if this helps you, and comment, subscribe. So that's it, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.